Okay, guys, today is the International Yoga Day 2021. I bow to my all gurus, Paramhansa Yogananda, Swami Sri Yukta Sadguru Ji, beloved Guru Lahiri Mahasaya, and Babaji Maharaj, sages and saints of all religions. I bow to you all. May thy love shine forever in the sanctuary of our devotions. May I be able to awaken thy love in all hearts, all truth-seeking hearts. So today is very significant day for our organization, because one new website, holisticyoga.com, is being launched, inaugurated today. So my all past participants, their friends, like-minded friends, can look at it, and I shall be thankful if you can share it with your like-minded friends to disseminate this holistic yoga to the like-minded persons. I am thankful to Mr. Abhinav Mukherjee, who insisted to create one website, and also thankful to Mr. Somnath Mitra, web developer, who has developed it. So on this day, though we are remembering and celebrating, but things has to be changed. Just not remembering one day like other days. Happy birthday, Father Day, Mother Day, Children's Day, Valentine's Day. Just remembering this day and forgetting other days to implement the principles of these days. So to make birthday happier, we have to invest to our life through our hard effort to make life successful. Likewise, to introduce yoga into our lifestyle, we have to put little effort on a regular basis through patience and perseverance, so that we can get the benefit of it. So it is hardly put into practice, as our social education system is not serious enough to introduce these yogic ideas and concepts in our lifestyles since childhood. So this thing we have to take into account, that our children or future would be human being to be developed in such a way they can enjoy life in holistic sense, that is, with all amenities, comforts and convenience. They also get life loving, joyful, peaceful, healthy at the end of life. Mostly we are seeing in modern scenario, relationship is not having that much fulfilled in such a way that we are pursuing money and money related fame so that our future is always uncertain and insecure. Thus, we have to introduce yoga and yogic concepts in lifestyle so that we can balance that science and spirituality, self and society, peace and prosperity in both objective and subjective scenario. So I shall be thankful to those who encourage and spread the message of holistic yoga, which includes or balances both sides of life, the objective life and subjective life. So I shall be thankful to all who is blessing or well-wishing to this organization and donating for the social cause which is enumerated in aims and objectives of this organization. Okay, I will not take much. If you have any question, please go ahead with it. We will pass a little bit of time answering your question. Yes, Hemant.
But as a person,
Yeah,
individual,
yeah.
thoughts, his actions are influenced by his mood or by surroundings or his family.
Okay, your question is, as a person, action is influenced by
His mood
own or surroundings
or his past experience with the surroundings, the family, inside
or
the
societies. Okay.
society.
Yes,
Action and thoughts,
correct. Actions, reasons, emotions, all are guided basically from our sanskar, our expectation, desire, hopes, and then it is influenced by society or social phenomena, whether teachers, parents, peers, or other persons. But things are that all action comes out from within to without initially, and it is molded afterwards from the society, and mind is developed. And mind's all propensities like attachment, ego, expectation, ignorance, knowledge, wisdom, all sorts of things are developed. And finally, we have to see that how purposeful life we are living. And the responsibility lies mostly on our own, as action or emotion or reason is done by us only. It may be influenced by society or others, but choice is ours, which has to be accepted or rejected by our own wisdom or experience. Okay, am I able to get the clear?
Yes, sir, that is the only the thing is that how to achieve it.
Okay, so how to achieve it? This yoga, especially any form of yoga, shapes or develops our mental capabilities or inner power in such a way that that living in present moment to moment is very important. Means awareness or witnessing consciousness. Developing these qualities for a truth seekers or yoga student is very important. Then life gets shaped automatically whatever we like as per our sanskara, as per our own inner direction. That's all. Okay, thank you.